Can you English your question, please,
Can you
for
yeah.
the benefit
Okay.
of our international
Where's
model?
Jimmy Boy?
Jimmy! Oh, tulog, nakatulog.
Maybe stewardess Seda can
Tutulog pa.
translate.
Stewardess.
Okay.
Sa ibang supermarket,
In other supermarket,
ang 2 pirasong plastic shoebox
2 pieces of plastic shoebox
ay
is
nagkakahalaga ng...
costs
Ang haba na sinabi ko, cost lang. 120 pesos.
120 pesos. Yeah!
20.
May English din yun.
Sa Pure Gold,
Pure gold. In pure gold,
Pure gold and pure gold.
99 pesos lang ito.
it's only 99 pesos.
Wow. Kung
If
sa
in
Pure Gold,
pure gold,
ako bibili,
I will buy
magkano ang matitipid ko?
how much will I save?
Go, Daniel!
21.
21!
Ay,
Tama ba?
21 is...
yes, correct!
Yes, it's clean. She was it.
Thank you very much
Tulog ng lagi.
to our translator, stewardess Seda, without whom hindi makukuha ni Daniel Matsunaga
Yeah.
ang